Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully guys are doing good. Hopefully guys are having a wonderful day. And we're just going to close off the night by having pretty much a fairly decent program tonight. This is the preview show. We're going to look at team of the quarterfinals. Team starts for both teams, that's Mexico and Jamaica, leading up to the semi-finals. We're going to look at the team and possible starting lineup, also my starting lineup. What I'm also going to do, I'm going to also open the phone line for you guys to call in and give me your predicted starting lineup, what changes you'd like to see, and how you think the game would progress. Also, we're going to run through the head-to-head. We're going to look at all of these things, people. But before we do that, before we get into that, you know we have to do the YouTube stuff. As you can look up here and see, we are very, very close to 30,000 subscribers, extremely close to 30,000 subscribers. And I really appreciate it if you do so. Also, if you guys realize that not a lot of persons are getting the notification for the video, so I would implore you guys to go and share the video, share the content, so more persons can see what is happening. Not even me, even when I go live, I didn't even get the notification as well. So not really sure what's going on there where YouTube is concerned. So please do, people, share the content, and certainly let's get the visibility out there. Also, it would help us a lot if you hit that like button, and that like button will push the video through the algorithm. Let me tell you people, the algorithm is not none of us friends. So that is how it is. Alright, let's get to the meat of the matter, people. Hopefully you guys are doing good. We have a few persons already in the comment section. Orion Simpson, big up. Cephas in this side. Yeah, me not lie. Mirror Effect said, big up. See that? I'm already 2 minutes into the live stream. I've barely seen anyone in the live. So people just keep on smashing the like button, keep on hitting the like button, people. Let me just start the poll. Because I said I don't know what's going on, but certainly the YouTube algorithm have been handling me real bad. It's not my best friend at this present moment. So I would implore you to hit that like button. It's really not my best friend. No, I haven't. Big up Jordan, massive respect. Hopefully you're doing good. Another scratch off to win. Massive respect. Thank you very much for coming in. Alright, so let me just bring up the team. So we have a few players that made the Concacaf team of the week in the quarterfinal, the team of the quarterfinals. So we're just gonna touch on that. I'm gonna highlight that to you guys, let you guys see what is happening where that is concerned. I'm gonna also give you guys some details surrounding. Let me see if I can bring that up. Gold Cup. Let me see where that is. I'm just gonna find the team of the good. Alright, so I'm just gonna get it up on the screen now, people. My sincere apologies if this is taking a bit longer than you'd expect it to. Gold Cup, yeah, good, that's it. Alright, so this is the team of the week, people. And not necessarily team of the week, but the team of the zone, the quarterfinals, team of the quarterfinals. We have 3 players. Jamaica has 3 players in the team of the quarterfinals, which is a big statement. I don't think this has ever happened before. It just showcases the path that we are on right now. Best 11 for the quarterfinals, and we have 3 players in that. Only Mexico. Well, not Mexico. I think that is Panama, who has more with 3. But it's just Mexico, Panama. Hey, look at that, people. Look at that. So we have, in the team of the week, we have three Mexicans. We have 3 Mexicans, 4 Panamanians. I think it's Panamanians. 1 USA. Fortunately, none for Canada. And 3 Reggae Boyz. That is big, people. Let me tell you, people, that is big. That is big. It is really big, people. And I'm saying, big up to those 3 Reggae Boyz. A spot guaranteedly deserved, extremely deserved This spot is extremely deserved by these 3 players. Marbell having a wonderful Gold Cup campaign. Also, Andre Blake, the unsung hero, who has been saving us time and time again. Remember that header that he saved in the quarterfinals against Guatemala? My word. It's always between the 6. It's always in the right place at the right time. Andre Blake is having a wonderful, wonderful campaign. So far, we have only conceded 2 goals. Is that 2? Is it 2 goals? We've only conceded 2 goals, which is brilliant. Also have 2 clean sheets. 2 clean sheets in 4 games. Conceded 2 goals in 4 games and 2 clean sheets. Scoring a total of 11 goals, people. 11 goals. Demarai Gray contributed, out of the 11 goals, he contributed 4 of the 11 goals. And that's how much percent is that? That's roughly around nearly 30%. That's about 30%. That's in the region of about 30%. That's actually in the region of about 30%. That's actually quite a lot. That's quite a lot. It shows that, and that's the reason why he's in the team of the week. Even if you're not seeing what he's doing, he's silently moving around, doing things. And Demarai Gray is having a wonderful Gold Cup. This is his first period or duration in the Concacaf region, and he stepped up, and is delivering. He stepped in, stepped up, and is delivering. Same as Amari, wonderful. Andre Blake, we all know Andre Blake from the MLS. Everyone in the USA know him. Everyone in the MLS knows of Andre Blake, especially in the Concacaf region. This is not no unknown. Big up another scratch off doing. My respect. Hopefully you guys are doing good, people. Hopefully everyone is doing good. As I said, people, please do smash that like button, people. Please, I've already told you, the algorithm is not my friend. So my video is just not going out for some reason. The YouTube algorithm is not sending out my video. I don't know why. And how do I know that the YouTube algorithm is not sending out my video? I subscribe it. I subscribe it to subscribe to my channel with my another channel, and it's not getting no notification at all. The notification that pop up long time, and see there. So only a few of you right now would have gotten the notification. Just a small portion of people, maybe roughly 3% of my subscribers. 3%. Just imagine 3% of my subscribers would have gotten the notification. So I would implore you guys to share the video, if you will. I would implore you guys to share the video. But this is a good look. 3 players I can't recall ever seen 3 Reggae Boyz in the Concacaf Team of the Week. We had one in the earlier stages, and now in the group stages and in the quarterfinals we have a total of 3. Goes to showcase the quality, and what we are doing is certainly on point. Big up Amari, big up Demarai Gray, big up Andre Blake. You guys have been brilliant so far in this Gold Cup campaign. Tremendous, and I have to say congrats. Massive respect on that. Let me just stop that.